Dish up dinner with me.
It wasn't even me. It wasn't even me.
Hola! Dish up dinner with me. Ora de jantar. This idea from an Instagram video that was like quick dinners to do after work, so why not? So we have some rice, which I always make like more than we need. So then I can do like egg fried rice with it or something similar. Then we have this really nice garlic and honey chicken, which smells literally amazing, like smells so nice. And lastly, of course, because we can't forget our veggies. We don't have much today because really I wanted broccolis, but I didn't have any. We've got grilled peppers, which works as well. By the way, peppers is like my favorite thing. That looks so good. That's our dinner today. Can't wait.